Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet Advantage 4615, and now I'm going to show you how to factory restore all settings on this device. First, we need to click on the settings button. So, wait a while, settings button is here. Click on this button. Then scroll down to find tools using the scrolling down button. Then click OK. Scroll very down to the 5-point in this menu. This is the restore default option. Click OK and click OK. Wait a while and cool, that's it. You can repeat it if you want. This is very easy to do. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.